Resonate, the EDM challenge organized by the Indian music industry in collaboration with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, aims to reinforce India's position as a global hub for electronic music, fusion sounds, and DJing talent. The preliminary round was judged by industry professionals from the Lost Stories Academy, India's leading music production and DJ training institute.
The quality at which Indian artists currently are is in a way the similar sort of structure to what these foreign artists are doing currently. In terms of mixes and in terms of just the whole ideation, the concept, I think they are at par with some of the world's best.
The challenge was open to artists, composers, musicians, and performers from around the world with prior experience in creating and producing EDM and is seen as a launch pad for talent. Prayag Mehta notes that the Wave Summit will provide a commercial and creative platform for winners and EDM artists to shine and grow.
The fact that the government has recognized electronic dance music is one of the biggest wins for the entire community. Resonate the EDM challenge is going to be one of the best platforms for the artists to showcase their talent. The future is going to be very promising. A lot of doors, a lot of opportunities would open up for them, not only for the top 10 contestants, but so to speak, for every artist who's currently pursuing dance music.
The top 10 shortlisted participants include Shrikant Vimila and Mayank Vidhani from Mumbai, Kshitij Khodwe from Pune, Aditya Upadhyay from Kumarigata, Assam, and Divansh Rastogi from New Delhi. These finalists represent a dynamic spectrum of India's electronic music landscape, from atmospheric, ambient styles to high-octane dance tracks. They will now have the opportunity to captivate audiences at the Wave Summit, set to take place this May. Shama Mishra for DD India.